I have some opening remarks about COVID-19. Dr. Bonnie Henry released a new provincial health order today stating the following measures. Orders extended across the province and until December the 7th at midnight. Requirement to be implemented by the Public Safety Minister for workers and members of the public to wear masks in all retail environments and indoor public spaces, including common areas of workplaces, except when eating or drinking. High-risk indoor group activities, including high-intensity interval training, hot yoga, and spin classes will be suspended as well. All community social events suspended for the next 2 weeks, even if they are under 50 people. In-person faith suspended, services suspended, basically church. No spectators allowed at any indoor or outdoor sports, and no traveling outside the local community for sports. Businesses are being asked to suspend any returns to the office for employees who've been working at home. They're also being told, businesses, to reevaluate whether safety plans are appropriate and are being followed. Inspections of businesses and enforcement of the public health orders are being stepped up. Officials are asking everyone not to travel outside their communities for non-essential reasons and asking people from other provinces to postpone their trips here. In other words, unless you have to go anywhere, stay home. Let's continue to be kind and safe. We'll get through this together and treat everybody with respect. And my colleague, Mr. Doubt, Councillor Doubt, would like to say a few words in this regard.
So as the Mayor was unavailable this afternoon while Dr. Bonnie Henry and Minister Dix were making their pronouncements about COVID policies, the Mayor was away, so I was paying particular attention to that so that I could give a report on it tonight and talk to the various issues that are there. Most of the orders are continuations of existing orders that applied to Vancouver Coastal Health here for the last 2 weeks with some clarification. There were some important clarifications that I found that I thought made a difference. One was travel to Vancouver Island being for essential purposes only, but those essential purposes include traveling for work and traveling for medical appointments. So we know that there are many people in Powell River who have to travel on a semi-regular basis across to Vancouver Island to get medical treatments that aren't available in town. That's one of the permissible uses of the ferry terminal, while the travel restrictions generally are getting stronger and people are being asked to stay as close to home as possible. One thing that they specifically clarified that I have a particular interest in was that caring for grandchildren is not viewed as a social gathering, so I will be able to continue caring for the grandchildren. I think many other seniors in town are caring for grandchildren on particular times, and that's not viewed by the provincial health officer as a social gathering. It's an essential service, more or less, and it was good to hear that. I support, and I've viewed in the community that there is stronger support and more people are taking up the recommendations and the orders on wearing masks. When I go around, I see more. I see everybody in here who's not speaking at the present time is wearing a mask, and I like to see that. I think it's good, and it gives us a better chance to go ahead. But I encourage people to follow the guidelines of the provincial health officer and get us through this second wave, which is hitting us hard right now.
Thank you.